Here I'm using a Wilton number 70 leaf tip to pipe the ruffle border. To get this effect, hold the piping bag at a 45-degree angle to your board. Apply even pressure while lifting and lowering the piping bag and slowly turning the turntable with the other hand. This will be the back of our cake, and we will start and finish each type of piping over here. To pipe the large bottom shells, use a Wilton number 6B or 4B. Hold the piping bag at a 45-degree angle to the cake, and put pressure on the piping bag while lifting the bag up and moving it down. At the bottom of the shell, pull the bag away while releasing the pressure on the piping bag to release each shell. Here I'm using a small scraper, about a quarter of the height of my cake, as the guide for where I will mark my drop lines. I'm using a toothpick to mark where the connection points of the lines will be. This is a 5-inch cake, so we will have 7 points and drop lines. There are also tools and mats that you can buy to help you evenly mark out these lines. To use the ruffle piping tip, press the piping bag to create even pressure while slowly turning the turntable. You don't need to lift the piping bag up and down. This tip naturally creates a beautiful ruffle effect, using only the pressure of the buttercream. For the top shell border, you repeat the same process as you did for the bottom shell border, starting the shells on top of the ruffle, from the back of the cake or where the piping joins. I didn't like how the shell border finished here, so I removed some shells and repiped them. I did this a few times. I find drop lines incredibly difficult to pipe. The best trick I found is to use a bigger writing tip. This makes the lines a little bit less likely to break. These aren't perfect, but I was happy with them. If you'd like some wiggle room where you can make a few more mistakes while piping your drop lines, then work on piping on a very cold cake. This means that you can remove any broken or wonky lines without damaging the buttercream underneath. Finally, pipe small shells using a Wilton 18 or 21 over the joins of the drop lines. This creates a beautiful focal point and hides the joins. And here's the finished cake. If you're still watching, thank you. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Bye!